Over the last several days, the US president has called into question testing for COVID-19. His twisted logic is that more testing leads to more confirmed cases and so makes the US look bad. He also said that he told health officials to slow down testing.
Testing is a double-edged sword. In one way, it tells you you have cases. In another way, you find out where the cases are and you do a good job. We are doing a great job. We have never been credited for it.
But testifying on Capitol Hill, top US health experts all backed more testing, not less, and said they've never been told to slow the process down.
All of us have been and continue to be committed to increasing readily, timely access to testing.
I know for sure, but to my knowledge, none of us have ever been told to slow down on testing. It's the opposite. We're going to be doing more testing, not less.
This latest confusion distracted partly from the good news. Dr. Anthony Fauci says he thinks a vaccine could be ready by the end of the year or by early in 2021. But the urgent problem is the spike in cases in over half of US states, many of them seeing worrying increases in hospitalizations too.
Right now, the next couple of weeks are going to be critical in our ability to address those surgings that we're seeing in Florida, in Texas, in Arizona, and in other states. They're not the only ones that are having a difficulty.
The White House says that the spike in cases are mainly isolated local flare-ups. The data, however, says otherwise, and some states like Louisiana are slowing or reversing plans to reopen their economies. And the world is watching and is worried too. The European Union is considering blocking travellers from the US as they move to lift some of their travel restrictions. Doing that would be a big blow to US prestige and also question this White House handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. Nathan King, CGTN at the White House.